Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss when user got created. If somebody asks you in an interview or some call, tell me the details when my user got created. So first we will see how many users are there. etc password file is a file where all the user got created and having the entry. Like I'm having a default user Amit, which I have created by installing the OS. And other than this, LL, KK, YY, PP and John user we are having. So there are 3-4 methods. We'll discuss all the method which is a reliable one and which is not. So let me show you all the available option. So these are the options available. First they are saying grep AK in Verilog messages. Okay, there is nothing entry. Secure, there is no entry, so we cannot rely. Okay, second is aeroport if I am an auth by grep KK, because this is also addressing to secure file, so we cannot say this is the correct method. Then we are having stat stat /home KK /bash _ logout. We can rely on this, okay, unless people are not doing the stat command or they are not running until they are not touching this file again and again, so it's showing the correct. Okay, we can rely on this stat file bash logout, and then we'll see ch which is the standard answer we are getting, ch-l, then Amit user. Seeing this, I'm not able to see anything. If you do YY, it's showing last password change, today date, LL is showing November 28, 4720. So this is not the reliable method. Second, password -S and we'll do LL. Okay, this is also showing this date, YY. Okay, today's date, PP is showing 15, and if you see Amit user, it will show something 1969 because it got created while installing the OS. Root will also show the same thing. So using this command, you will come to know this is the default user with the OS installation or created after the installation of OS. But I'm not confident enough to say this thing to customer. So first we got stat to user home directory, like home john.bash _logout. This is the one thing, or you can do the home directory itself. Whenever you create a user, that user will get the home directory created. That home directory detail will be untagged. Say 15 Feb, 12 Feb. What else we are having? Okay, capital Amit is also there. 18 March. 18th April /Dave. So using this, you will come to know how many users got created in what date. So I'm confident enough with the stat command step home directory, or else do the users bash.logout file. This is the correct method to find out. And second, niche preferences, password -S and dev. Okay, it's not showing DV as a user. And what else we are having? Capital Amit, that's also a non-user, and KRISH. This is the relay. Okay, so you can rely somewhat on password file, but best option is stat the bash logout or stat the home directory of that user. Then you will come to know users created on which date. That's all for today's video. Hope this is adding value to your knowledge. If it is adding value to your knowledge, please share, subscribe and keep learning. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.